Yo, what up? This is Kyle, currently featuring on MyKeyReviews' channel because he's in the back.
Because I can't do intros apparently.
Because, yeah, that's exactly why. So I'm doing an intro for his channel, and this is all being filmed on the Sony RX0. Epic, awesome camera. It's also the tiniest camera I've ever seen in my entire life. So, over to you.
Well, thank you very much. Thank you for that, Carl. I'll put a little description to his channel down below. So yeah, currently using the Sony RX0. I thought that I'm just going to vlog it with it today, just see how it does with the microphone quality and just in general video quality. The max resolution we can film on is 1080p. The only way to get 4K is by doing it through the HDMI out, and I don't have the gear for that. But that said, this is really light. Even I've got it on a little Manfrotto kind of mini tripod, and it's just very lightweight. So yeah, anyway, as you've seen, Kyle just right here, build up, and I have Callum right here. We're currently on our way to some band practice, and I'm going to be taking photos of them with all this gear right here, and he's got his bass and stuff, so it's pretty rammed full. And also, his boot is smaller than a Mini's as well. You saw that out, Callum.
Callum has a tiny butt.
Yeah, he does. Yeah, so we're just on a mini road trip. We're gonna go to Starbucks, so we'll see you then. That is definitely not my name. That's his name. You've basically claimed all the cups, see?
Yeah.
Kyle.
And Callum's doesn't even have anything on it.
I know.
And it's also such a small cup that it's barely even worth mentioning.
Fair enough. So Kyle, dig it.
Yeah, there you go. I'm happy with that. That's an accurate description.
Ooh, lovely little bit of
Is it good for like the oh yeah,
ooh, so nice.
ooh. Look at that. That is
Whoa.
probably put sugar in it when we get
Fudge, hot chocolate, yes.
Novelists. Lovely, Richard. Mate, if I go off to the Navy though, mate, I can afford to colour that one day.
Yeah. See, I wonder if I can change the colour profile whilst filming. No, I can't. Sepia tone for an old style look.
You know what? Sepia when used in the UK just kind of makes it look more
I think
miserable.
it's not just...
More miserable than what it already is.
They're just about right.
And we are here. It's a nice little rehearsal room.
One of the best in the area. And fun fact, these Epic Stars were the first band to ever use it. When everyone is here. Aaron and his new guitar.
Yes!
Ooh.
So it should, if it's worked out how I want it to, they should be able to use the piezo as well as, which means
First time using the Breaking Ben Burnley.
I was in a rush to put a strap on it too, so we have an Angels and Airways.
Look at it. The LTD.
Angels and Airways one.
Oh, cool.
Right. So if it all works out, Carl, I need you to go to the piezo. Piezo volume, normal volume. Normal pickup on clean. I'll do something that isn't in tune. Piezo. Up a bit more.
I'll never find out. I've been falling through, but I'll never fall down. I'd do it all again and see you tonight. Do it all again to see you tonight.
So this is a little example of the low light quality on this thing. It is pretty dark out there, apart from obviously street lights, and as you can see, it's pretty neat. Anyway guys, that's it for the video, so hopefully it was enjoyable and shows you a good example of the quality that the RX0 has. Thank you for watching.